Today is being observed as Emancipation Day in Jamaica. On August 1st, 1834, all my ancestors from Africa, specifically Ghana, the Ashanti tribe, they were freed in Jamaica. And so I had Dukunoo for my lunch with curry chicken. Yeah, man, because Dukunoo was introduced by my ancestors from Ghana to the Caribbean, and it is called by various different names in Jamaica. Dukunoo, also called tire leaf, also called blue drawers, and it is also called by different names depending on the Caribbean island, and the ingredients also varies depending on the Caribbean island. So this recipe is all about the Jamaican version of Dukunoo. And let me quickly say that there are two types of dukunoos in Jamaica. One is made with cornmeal and flour and coconut milk and spices. That is the one that I will make in this video recipe. And the other one is made with grated green bananas, a little bit of flour, coconut milk and spices. That one I do not like. Wagwan, welcome back to my channel, One of the Pan. In this video, I will be preparing blue jaws, or tire leaf as it is also called in Jamaica. So right now what I'm doing is quailing a banana leaf. So people, in a container I am sipping about, this is about 2 cups of cornmeal, refined cornmeal. And to that I am adding, I would say, half cup of all-purpose flour. half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon mixed spice, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg, about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. So I'm using 1 cup of coconut milk to mix the ingredients. And if you will be doing this recipe, you can use a spoon to mix it. I prefer to use my hand, and that's what I'm gonna use. You can mix it with a spoon if you want. At the end of the day, I may have eat it, me and my family. So you want it to be like this consistency. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna cover this for about 10 minutes to allow it to rest a bit. Yes, the consistency should not be runny, right? So people, after about 25 minutes or so, because I plan to let it rest for 10 minutes, I'm talking about the dough. However, I went and did something that took a little bit longer than I expected it to. So now it has been about 20-25 minutes. So the dough is well rested. So the quail banana leaf, I am gonna add. You see how the dough is moist? So you want it to be, right? Now I'm gonna kind of shape it. This is the part that I really do not like. This part right here. So now you have to tight enough so that water cannot creep in, you know. You can also do this method as well, because you see tying part, the tying part me not really in. Can't bother. I just don't like the tying part. Can just do this. So the file paper is much easier than to tie up a headache. So I'm going to do the rest like this. But this is traditional. So six tile leaf. 3 in file paper. Well, they're actually wrapped in banana leaves and then file paper. And these are traditional.